Can't turn off ceiling fans. Know nothing about ceiling fans. Go up to a ceiling fan, it's like, And then start listening for the noise. You know, it's like, Then you have to manually stop it. You know, it's like, Damn it! Come over to my house in the middle of winter, all the ceiling fans are on. It's like, hey man, can you shop for your ceiling fans? No, I can't. Know nothing about cars. I'll be driving along the road, check engine light will come on. I get all nervous because I don't know what to do. Like, oh my god, it's gonna cost so much money, what do I do? And then the check engine light would go off. And I'd be like, phew, glad that got fixed. Could have been expensive. You guys have been great, thank you very much.